Hello everyone, my name is Hong Thi. I come from Cambodia and my startup is Guider in Myanmar Global. Today I'm very happy to share with you about my happiness that happened in Myanmar Global. Now I get assistance from the other participant in amount 0.16 BTC Bitcoin, and that's amount I can get from my registration bonus and my micro principal from principal 50% from I provided help in amount 0.11 BTC that I provided help in the past. Now I can get assistance again in amount 0.16 BTC from the system MLM Global Myanmar. And yes, the last not least, I want to thank you to Mr. Sergey Mabodi, who is the founder of NNN Global, and also want to thank you to participants who have provided to me. Thank you. Goodbye. Good luck.